Have you ever wanted to own a piece of Chester County history, and maybe you just didn't want to go through the entire process of renovating it from start to finish? Well, you're in luck because we have one of the oldest homes in Chester County ready to go for you. All you have to do is pack your bags and move right in.
Welcome to 171 Crawford Road, located in East Brandywine Township in the highly sought after Downingtown School District. Join us today as we take a tour of this completely reimagined farmhouse, which blends American colonial architecture with modern amenities.
One thing that I absolutely love about this home is the attention to detail that the owners kept in mind when preserving the original structure. From painting the baseboards to refinishing the original hardwood floors, it's almost like stepping back into 1763 when this home was built and nothing has changed, but everything looks absolutely amazing.
What I love about this home are the modern updates and the additions that were made. The kitchen has everything that you could possibly want. The bathrooms are posh and sleek, but the cherry on top is this beautiful, modern but cozy primary suite. Don't let this amazing opportunity pass you by, because homes like this don't come to the market very often.
So if you would like to set up a private tour, then make sure you call or text us anytime at 484-999-0218.
Thanks. Bye.
Bye.